Well, I'm going to say welcome, everybody. Thank you very much for joining us. My name is Ron Carter. I'm the marketing executive within Mayo Trade, and welcome to our official Zoom meeting, wherever you are. Thank you for joining us. Before I start, I would like to say congratulations to our special thank you to Benjamin Barash. He joined very early, plus Simeon Chotilal, I hope I pronounced your names right. They were very, very early, followed by Nicholas Jonathan, and Regalia Mitania. Okay, so a special thank for that. And I do appreciate people joining early. What is it they say? The early bird catches the worm, all right? But look, thank you very much for joining us. We're going to be here for about 30 minutes because we value people's time. So wherever you are, thank you. It's early afternoon in Europe. It's late afternoon in Africa. In Asia, it's early evening, depending where you are, or beginning of night time. So wherever you are, we're going to take about 30 minutes, that's all. But look, I'd like to start with a question. And the question is what if you could participate? Just think about this. What if you could participate in trading safely with as little as $50? Now, I'm sure the answer will be a resounding yes from everybody, but really tell me a little bit more about it. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to be running through the Mayo Trade business plan, which is designed to earn daily profits. That simply means that when you get involved on a daily basis, you get profits from being involved with us, all right? And so we're going to run through everything. And what I suggest everybody does is that try and take some notes as you go along. I'm almost certain that everybody will have questions. And these questions can either be answered by the admin team that's on the call, or more importantly, when the call's finished, by getting hold of the person that's invited you onto the call, chatting with them, getting the questions answered, and then coming on board straight away with us. All right. So look, let's get started. And this is what we're going to be covering. We're going to be looking at the executive summary, right down to vision and mission, all the things to do with the company. But we're going to be focusing on the business opportunities and the investment plans. That's really what this call is all about. But we'll get started with an overview of the executive summary. Right. And as it says there, look, Mayo Trade aims to make investment in cryptocurrency risk-free and accessible to everybody. These are things I'm going to keep coming back to all the time because these are important points in our business presentation. It's risk-free and anybody can get involved, right? And we have experienced financial experts that they've created these systems that makes that all possible. And we've built and continually, constantly upgrade this inclusive platform that allows these daily profits. So that's a brief summary and a brief overview, all right? And look, really, look what we are a cryptocurrency and a Forex trading platform, investment platform. Anybody can invest. And the key words here is with confidence in a completely secure, with confidence and a secure, innovative environment. That means that when you get involved, right, you can be confident that whatever returns you're going to, and we're going to talk about the returns, they're secure and available to you. We're headquartered in the UK. But of course, we've got offices in other countries, in Ghana, Thailand, Uganda, Nigeria. You can see that. And what it is, again, it allows people such as the people on this call, to invest at a minimal price with advanced risk assessment strategies. That's really what we have. So it means that anybody can get available with a level that suits their pocket. All right. We've got these risk assessment strategies. Okay. So that's really what we're going to talk about. So big question is what makes us different. Look, again, I don't know who's on the call. Let me just have a look at how many people we've got. We've got a lot of people from different countries here. I don't know how much you know about the investment market or what's available now, but there's lots of things available. Opportunities pop up all the time, especially as we're coming out of this 2-year or 2.5 year period where everybody suffered financially. So there's lots of these things popping up on the market. Okay, but what makes us different? Okay, well, first off, we have high returns on whatever investment. That means whatever you put into our program, Mayo Trade, you get high returns. We use these various trading techniques that maximizes revenues and ensures high returns. Well, the important thing also is that when you get involved with this, you've got complete control over your money. Now, this is important because there's lots of opportunities around where you put money in, it's traded, it's held, but you don't have access to it. You don't have access to your wallet. We'll talk about your wallets later, but somebody else is controlling it. And often these controlling bodies, whoever they are, sometimes can disappear. And I'm sure some of us on the call have either been involved in things or know of people that have been involved with things where one day you've got an office that says you've got X amount of money there, trying to get out, and of course it's not there. Everybody that becomes involved with Mayo Trade got complete control over the money you invest and your returns. All right. I've mentioned already that we've got top of the line expertise, which enables us to do diverse investments. So look, there are three things that make a difference. Another one that we believe is important, that it works for all. It doesn't matter if you're new, or if you've got an investment background, or if you're a veteran. We've got packages that really will fit into everybody's budget and everybody's return expectations. And we will certainly run through these packages a little bit later. I've already mentioned this in terms of security, but it's easy withdrawals. Whenever you want to access your money or your returns or your profits, withdrawals can happen straight away at any time, very easy to do. Mainly because we've got this user-friendly dashboard, or it hasn't come up properly, a user-friendly dashboard online. That means you can track and manage your investments. You can track it. You can track referrals. I'll talk again in a little while about the referrals, but everything there, as you see there, it says reporting capabilities. That means you can check on your money, your investments, your returns, your profits 24/7. We keep talking about security and reliability. That's important. And as I mentioned earlier, we work with this advanced level encryption protocols that guarantees complete safety. And that, again, is important. Look, everybody talks about returns. That's really designed to suck people in. The key is the risk level and the security level. That's what determines whether something is a good opportunity or not. And then, of course, I've already mentioned the support's on this call. We've got 24/7 support with help. They're there to provide you assistance around the clock. And as I said at the end of this call, if you've got any particular questions, or even during it, you can post and somebody will answer your question. Okay, so we believe this availability and this security and accessibility makes us different, which is why we're growing, right? So look, we've had a look at that. Let's have a look at the company background. It says there, as I'm sure you can read the list. The thing is, the reason I highlight is because I don't know whether you're looking at a laptop or a computer screen or on a mobile, so I'm not quite sure how much everybody can actually see. But it was originally the pet project of a gentleman called Jeff Hamilton. I'll talk more about him in a moment. All right, but he's been extensively involved in the financial service industry, providing expertise to conglomerates for over 10 years. And really was also involved, look at this, this is important, was involved in profitably managing over $50 million in funds on a global scale, more than 100 clients. So that shows the expertise that's there. This is not just a wing and a prayer, and I think we'll get involved in this industry because it's fashionable at the moment. Really, there's expertise leading this project on. Our vision is simple, and that is to be the #1 investment program for people that's committed to empowering anybody to invest, these words are key again, with confidence in a secure and innovative environment. Right? That's our vision. And our mission is to build this platform and adapt this platform as we go along to ensure that it makes it possible for anybody to invest in this decentralized finance. Okay, so we've had a look at briefly at the company, the thing, and as I say, we've always got one eye on the time because we do value people's time. So this is not too long, but I believe it's important to look at the Jeff and the CEO and founder. My background, as an aside, my background is a corporate strategist. And when looking at companies or advising companies, I've always looked at what I consider to be the key factor. People have got different things to judge a project by, the success of a project by. My one has always been the people who run the business. You can have the best software, the best systems, the best plans, the best admin. If your people at the top don't know what they're doing, that company, it might not fail, but it almost certainly won't achieve its lofty goals. So we've got a CEO and founder that's experienced in this. Look at this. He's involved in numerous projects proactively with Forex and trading. And look at this. This is he's saying there, I'm here on this endeavor along with my team and Mayo Trade to bring all of these opportunities, these return of investment opportunities to everybody, normal people, giving everybody a chance. So that's the CEO and founder. But also importantly, he's backed up with a team. Look at our team. I'm sure you've seen other people's teams that have 1 or 2 people on there. We have a comprehensive team that is there to manage not just the project, but manage our community. We've got a CFO, the CTO, the CMO, community manager, business development officer, trading team leader. Doesn't stop there. We've got finance team, legal advice. I'll talk more a little bit about legalities later on as well, which is also important. Our social media team, salespeople, advisors again. So we have everybody there to manage this project as it grows and achieves its global objectives. Okay, so let's find. I'm just checking on the times, okay, because I do have one on the time. Okay, so that's about right, because we want to focus on the business opportunity, how people can earn with Mayo Trade, right? And again, I don't know people's backgrounds or involvement in the crypto market. My own involvement in the crypto market has been for the last 6 or 7 years, successfully. And so I know a little bit about it, but I'm sure everybody knows, whether you've been involved or not, that the market goes up and down. It's very volatile. We've seen, as it says there, unparalleled rise in Bitcoin. We're over to 60,000. We've also seen the market crashes currently in the doldrums. So that means that when you get involved, it's no good now just dabbling. You need to have experience and expertise behind you to make money in this volatile, exciting, but volatile market. And so what we do, we break the conception, right, by providing experiences, and we provide you the best plans, the best strategies, and the best tools to boost your income. Okay, so let's have a look at what we do. So look, the Forex market, and again, it's interesting, because I was also involved with the Forex markets maybe 10 years ago. So the Forex market is a different market. There's no physical exchange. And that can be a very profitable market, providing, again, you know what you're doing. And so often people go in. And in fact, in the Forex market, I was going to come up with a figure now, but I can't remember the figure exactly. I know the majority of people that get involved in the Forex market on an individual basis do not earn the money they are expecting. Okay, so we're there, we're helping people get involved in a minimal amount, but with maximum return. So what Mayo Trade does is it allows people to earn a passive income, earn an income on your idle crypto assets. So I'm sure a lot of people on the call, like myself, have got crypto assets. They're sitting there now because we're unsure of the market. We don't know what it's going to do. Do we buy? Do we sell? Do we hold? What do we do? And so we have a system where we can invest in our plans and watch it generate profit consistently. And earning passive income is a potent, look at this. Earning passive income, what that means is you can sit back and through our back office, see your profits come in. Okay, so let's have a look at the packages. We keep talking about we have something available for everybody. We truly do. You can see we've got 3 different plans. Our first plan is the silver plan. And that really is for the novice, the amateur, the one that wants to have a punt, forgive me using the word, but has never been involved before, but likes the idea, has been introduced by somebody and says, look, I'm not quite sure, I'd like to have a go. $50 is a small amount for anybody to get involved, right up to $10,000. For some people, $10,000 is still a starting platform, an easy amount to put involved, okay? Yeah, on our silver package, that means when you get involved there, you can earn 1.4% daily profit for 125 days. giving you a total ROI of 275%. And that's 275% profit, return on investment, on whatever amount you put in, be it 50, 100, 5,000, 10,000. That is good. And so you can earn that profit and upgrade, or if you are more capable, if you have more available money, not your living money, but some people have got investment money put aside, their play money. So if that amount is between 10,000 and 50,000, then we've got our gold package. That's ideal for you. And with a gold package, it means you can earn up to 1.8% profit, daily profit, for 105 days. That gives a total return of 325% on your money. Now, you'll see on both of these, it's talked about referral commission and binary commission and capping. I'm going to talk about those in a moment. So 50 to 10,000, somewhere for you. Can upgrade at any time or come in at gold, 10,001 or 50,000 and earn 1.8%. Or, and some people really are looking for opportunities. Some people have got the availability, the capability of coming in, like the idea of earning 2-3% daily for 105 days, like the idea of 380% investment, return on investment is phenomenal. And so for those who like the idea of that, we've got anywhere between 50,000 and 100,000 package available for them. So we've got our 3 different plans, silver, gold, and diamond, which, as we said at the beginning, allows anybody to come in at whatever level they're comfortable with, can upgrade at any time as well, all right? And so we have something for everybody. Simple investment plans, but profitable investment plans, all right? Now, we've also got an affiliate income structure, and I'm just checking on the time again, forgive me, okay? All right, let me just do this. I don't want to run out. I've always got one eye on the time. All right. And so our affiliate income structure and benefits means that some people know other people that would dearly love to get involved in this and earn some money. So, for example, I'm almost certain the majority of people that are on this call have been invited by somebody, by a colleague, a relative, an acquaintance, and said, look, come along, have a look. I think there's something that you might like. So for those people that do that, we have an affiliate income structure that allows people to earn a commission on referrals. And it allows everybody to earn a 10% referral commission on whoever you introduce at whatever level. So for example, you can see the examples there. Introduce somebody for $100, if that's the package they want, $10 referral commission. If somebody wants to come in for $1,000 and that suits them, you earn $100 commission. So it's very easy to build an additional income over and above the return on investment. Okay. Now, let me just go back because I'm not quite sure I mentioned. Now, this is important. There is no limit on the number of referrals you can have. And this is important because in today's marketplace, with today's social media, the majority of people have got contacts, acquaintances, associates worldwide. And because our broadcasts are on the internet, same as today, we've got people from, I don't know how, I've got no way of knowing how many countries we've got on board. That means you can actually refer people on the other side of the world from wherever you're living, and you earn 10% from them, all right? Now, but on top of that, we have a binary income structure. What that means is this, that as you build, binary, it means that you're there and you have 2 legs. There's a left leg and a right leg. So as you introduce people, they go into legs below you. As those people introduce people, they also go below you. It cascades below you on 2 legs, left leg or right leg. And how the binary income structure works is very simple, right? You get commission on the lesser leg, on the weaker side. So for example, on the example here, on the left side, let's say on the left side now, investments, I forget all the yellow, investments have come in at $6,000. On the right-hand side, the investment packages from people coming in is $9,000. You would earn 10% binary commission on the lesser amount, which is $6,000. So that means you would earn $600 from your binary income. So you've now got a return on investment, you've got a referral income, and as your affiliate network grows, you've also got a binary commission coming in. So you can see how this works. Now, this is how the investment flow works. Number one, register on the website, open up an account, and gain access to your dashboard. That's the first step. Once you're there, you can choose from 9 cryptocurrencies to get make a deposit. It doesn't matter whether you've got Dogecoin, Binance USD, Ethereum, Tether, whatever you've got. This is what we mean by using your unused crypto. You can make a deposit at whatever level suits you. Once you've made the deposit, you then invest. You choose the plan that suits you. The 3 plans, choose whichever one suits you, and make the deposit to the desired amount. Once you've done that, quite simply, you then start to earn a return on investment. Our self-learning AI bots and team of experts ensure this smooth investment process. And then, as we mentioned right at the beginning, you can withdraw whenever you want. The returns from your business, from your returns on your investment, they are automatically credited to your wallet. I'll talk about the wallets in a moment. And that you are in control of these, so you can withdraw them at any time you want. You are the only person that can withdraw your money. Okay, so that quite simply is the investment flow. These are the wallets. Okay, we mentioned withdrawal into your wallets. We've got 4 different wallets. Number 1 is your ROI wallet. So your daily incomes are credited into your wallet here. Very simple. You then have an I wallet. That's where your referral income gets put into. You have your cash wallet and your B wallet. The B wallet is where the rewards and bonuses, we're going to talk about those another time, they're put in. So you've got 4 different wallets, every single one of which you control. And as we say, that on withdrawals, Mondays to Fridays, 24/7. There is a withdrawal commission levied. Okay, that covers administration, but they're your wallets. So we've had a look at the investment, we've had a look at the return investment, we've had a look at the sponsoring or referrals. You've got an affiliate binary income that can be done, all going into your wallet you control. Okay, now let's just have a look at the roadmap. We like to do this because we believe that it's important for everybody to know where we come from, but more importantly, where we're going. It's good to know that the company has got plans, the project has got plans for the future. Okay, so but the concept that we spoke about before with the owner started in October 2020. That's when the idea was formed. Everything was incorporated in the UK in May last year. All right, and then early this year, investment strategies, the dashboard was put into place, and then, June of this year was the global launch. And then we rolled out the influencer program. We've got these broadcasts going on where people can now introduce their friends. So everything's rolling along nicely. What I'd like to talk about is go on to December. Look at this. In December, there's a New Year celebration with top leaders in Thailand. So for those people that really put an effort in and are helping, let me just do this very quickly. I don't want our power to go off. Right? For those people that help the company achieve its goals, help it expand, the top leaders, we've got a New Year celebration in Thailand. So get ready to put your time aside in December. What I like about it is because all the time we've spoken about income, nothing wrong with that. But one of the things that always excited me in my own career was the prospects of being able to travel, see other countries, experience life elsewhere. So in March of next year, next one is Hong Kong. So now all you can see is, apart from a business opportunity, there's travel opportunities, there's experience opportunities. Then, of course, we go into country-wise office inauguration globally, and then right through to next year, we're already developing new sets of AI bots and strategies. So you can see that we've come from, a lot of work's been put in before today, but more importantly, the plan is there for the future for everybody. All right. We've mentioned a couple of times security. And again, I don't know how many people have been involved in these so-called other opportunities. They're everywhere. Okay, here today, gone tomorrow is the way I look at them, because the security isn't there. Somebody somewhere is looking after the money, and there's somebody somewhere often isn't there anymore when you go to log in. We have security. Security and credibility are at the epicenter of all our operations. And you can see here who we've partnered with to ensure that all your transactions are certified and are in safe hands. Okay. We've also got payment partners. So that means that whenever, look, in essence, we've covered all the aspects of really of confidence building. So for those who are looking at their business for the first time, most of the questions come about ROI, security, affordability, everything. And we believe, we bold this. So we've aligned with the every I can never say this, but ever evolving technical things. We use all of these tokens for our transactions. Okay, let's have a breather. Let's talk about legality. We've mentioned, I keep referring to these other so-called opportunities. I call them so-called opportunities because there's no one there. Often there's no people on the website. If there are, they're not really part of, because there's no companies. No, look at this. We have got official companies in Uganda, England and Wales, Nigeria. You can go onto the website and check all this out. Check out the legalities. Ghana, Thailand, Pakistan. That's for a start. So you can see we are a legal entity. All right. Plus, I keep mentioning, we are available 24/7. We're available on the call now. If you've got any questions that you want to ask our admin people, they're on the call now. You can get us on their social media, on any of these contacts. The phone. Anytime you need help, call us. If the person that's invited you, that's referred you, that's introduced you, can't help because they might be new, don't worry. Either they can contact us on your behalf or you can contact us direct. So everything is there for people to get involved with us. Now, what's the time? Let me just check again the time. We're okay. I'm going to finish in a moment. Look, let's just summarize. Our portfolio is managed by a team of experienced financial specialists, right? They've worked in the currency exchange markets for 20 years. So that means you've got experienced people managing the investment portfolio, right? That experience has given us access to the best practices that are available. And this experiences and those practices will help you, this is a good phrase, multifold your profits. It's not just a matter of making profits, it's called multifolding. Write that one down, that's a good one, okay? And really the key to any investments is, look at this. This is a phrase I come across many years ago when I started my own investment path. Small profits every day lead to massive results down the road. That's what ROI is. You can use that ROI to withdraw or to upgrade, to do with whatever you want to do. In fact, it's good to say there, don't waste your time, come and enjoy the financial freedom. But before I do that, I'm just going to say this. I want to do this. Oh, it's gone. Where did it go to? I wanted to come back to this one, then forgive me. Because at the beginning I said, imagine earning. Well, that's easy to say, but a lot of people can't actually imagine. Now, what I suggest everybody does, for those who want to get involved or seriously considering getting involved, go onto the website and go to Mayo Trade and open up the compensation packages bit. You've got it on the screen there. What that will allow you to do is, number one, decide how much money you have available to put into the program, not your living expenses, not all the money you got in the bank. What have you got available to put in without interfering with anything else? Now you can put that into our profit calculator, and that will show you exactly how much profit you can get. So, for example, there's a silver profit calculator where you can enter in the sum from $50 to $10,000 and scroll along, and it will show you exactly what profit you will get on a daily basis, your total ROI, daily ROI, profit per day. So you can see now that, okay, I'll put 100 in, but if I put 150 or 200, oh, it goes up. So it allows you to make a better decision on the amount for you. There's a gold one, So those of you that are thinking of putting in a gold from 10,000 onwards, again, exactly the same. Go into the profit calculator, move it to 10,000, and now you can move it along. Maybe if you put 11,000, 15,000, all of a sudden you can see what the ROI is per day, what the total ROI is. That can help you make an informed decision. That's much better than saying, I'll come in there and then afterwards say, if only I'd have known, I would have put a little bit more in. There's the same with the diamond package. You can see exactly what to put in and the returns on the diamond package, right up to 100,000, where look at the 100,000. You're getting a return of $2,297 per day. So my strong recommendation for everybody is go onto the website, have a look, and you can see that these small profits every day can in fact lead to massive results down the line. So look, at that, I'm going to finish. All right, I've got one eye on the time. We're as near as possible to 30 minutes. Once again, I'm going to thank you for joining. Second, I'm going to thank whoever invited you to join. I'm going to thank them for sharing the Mayo Trade opportunity. All right. I suggest that you get all your questions answered. Come on board, and I look forward to sharing your success with you. Come on board, invite other people to our next broadcast, and together we will make this the #1 platform in the internet. At that, I'm going to say good night, God bless, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and see you on the next call.